reports. Please? Can I see the reports, please? No? Hello, and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq Scalping Bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress I make with a Python program, my first Python program, which I use to do some scalping, automated scalping on the Nasdaq, with as a goal to generate some passive income for me or for anyone who wants to join. And in a daily report, I show you guys the progress of this bot. So let's see how we did today. How did we do today? That's a good question. We can go to the bot first. Let's go to the bot first. And we see we have a green bot, still works. And we see we had a total profit of almost 32.50 today. That's not bad at all. Are we happy? Are we done? This is the daily report. No. I want to know, I want to show you guys what happened today. And so let's take a look at the code, and not specifically the code, but just like yesterday, the numbers. And we see a lot of numbers as in 0.9 and not enough market action. Going today, then we had an error report of the API, so it's not an error from me, but the API had a gateway timeout, way too busy. I don't know why, but at 5 to 5, you would hardly say that there was a lot of action going on. So gateway error, not my problem, but not something I can do about. And then we had a lot of numbers slowly. All above, the average was above 1, but the change were all lower than 0.9. And we had, I see, one buy when there was the average percentage change was 0.9, and the change at that point was 0.98, almost 1, and we had a lot of 1%ers right above it. So the combination of having a 1% at least change, and then we had, I guess, the MACD in the right direction too, triggered a normal market and a buy with a stop loss distance again of 36. And yesterday I also saw 36, and I'm not sure if this distance of 36, if that's good enough. It should be around 40 or something, but let's see. If 36 is good, then it's good. And then we had another one, a normal buy, same scenario, a lot of 1% change, and then we had a normal buy, so the market was normal, and we had a stop loss distance again of 36. That was the second one. Did we have any one more? Market close. So we had today 2 contracts opened, and together they brought up eventually 36 euro. Let's see. Let's get to the market, and then we can see what happened exactly. And if we look at the market, we see there was some action going on up and down. This is a 5-minute candle, but the 3 minutes, you see in the code, in the responses, the 3 minutes was only smaller as 1. So it looks like there was a lot of action, but the average change was less than 0.5% for the last couple of hours, let's say last hour or so. So not that much. And if I'm gonna look at the 1 hour, let's take a 1 hour look. Whoa. Then in the 1 hour look, we see also small candles, although they went down. Whoa. Although they went down, this was a large one. This was eventually a percentage change of 0.42%, 0.5% eventually. So even in the market, the 1 hour market, we see there was a low change in the candles. Okay, let's get back to the 5 minutes. Bump this up. If I leave it this way, you can actually see that there was hardly any action. And let's take the reports. Reports. Please. Can I see the reports, please? No. Refresh. There is the report. Okay. We had 2 positions opened, and both of them were successful. One of 18.5 and one of 14 euros. That's very nice. For yesterday we had this one. Now we're up to the 632. Okay, let's go. I cannot say that this is done. We're ready. Let's go. I guess because we had yesterday such a bad series of without changing in the code, and today a good. Don't walk over one night ice is said here in the Netherlands. Be careful when you walk above over one night ice, because you can. Yes. So I don't want to change anything in the code. Just let it go. Let it see how it will do for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. And again, a refresh. Yes, a refresh again for the rest of the week. And then we will see at the end of the week how we did. And then, maybe then, we can do some tiny fine-tuning in, I guess, the percentage change for normal market, or the minimum change that there has to be before a position is opened. I don't know. Let me know. Give me some feedback, guys. On Discord, I opened the question there. Give me some feedback. Let me know. How do you guys think about it? What do you think I should do, knowing the numbers you see today, yesterday, and the numbers in the video of last Friday? Let me know. I want to know what I should do. Which brings us to the end of the video again. And yeah, if you like it, you know what to do. Press like and subscribe would be nice. If you want to see the bot in action, it can. It's on Twitch every day. And if you want to talk to me, you can do this by Discord. All the links are in the description. Which brings me to have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.